So we're pretty confident.
And
some of the other enhancements.
Before that, I thanked some of the people because on the first day, very first day, we got like 15 schedules of our demos. So thank you so much for that. I see some of the faces there.
Yeah.
Now, if you're interested in a demo, please drop your card here, and we'll schedule a demo with you even when you're later in the days. We'll just email it. Right. So thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that.
And the answers. He also answered some questions. We appreciate that.
Yeah, so I'm on a different
Thank you. That's really good.
Yeah, it's awesome. When we come, it's like okay, you send a letter.
right now.
Thank you so much.
So the simplicity of the swiping, everything that you guys have done for like PLL for sure. Adult participation.
That's actually something that we.
Outcome, yeah, and we're all, so.